Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you're having an amazing day. I just got back from Gurney Mills and I have something really cool to show you. All right, without further ado, let me show you guys what I picked up. So, in this blue bag, we have the amazing SH Figuarts Shenron. This is something that I've been wanting to add to my collection for a long time, and I just had not pulled the trigger for whatever reason. But I saw it today at 3 stores, and I compared prices, and I got it from a store called Too Cool for $100, $107 with taxes. Christian, can you bring me a knife? Christian, I need a knife. All right, come on, I need a knife. There's no knife here, so I'm gonna use the keys.
Boy, I was just about to give you a knife.
Let's start with this side. All right. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait. We have the amazing illustration here of Shenron, the Great. We have all the pieces here, as you can see. Very high quality stuff right here. So let's go ahead and place the Dragon Balls right here on its little base. That's what we're gonna do first. And check that out. That looks great. It's beautiful the way it moves, the articulations on it, and the paint job on this is amazing as well. The scales, the whiskers, everything just majestic. It's straight off the anime. Now we're gonna do the head and attach it to the body right here, which you just place in there. It's got its arms. The articulation on this is pretty good. It's limited, of course, because with objects like this, you can't do much, but it's very nice, as you can see there. This is awesome. Connected. Those are the 3 pieces that go connected. As you can see, if I don't break it, that's what it looked like. You just don't have to be afraid of putting it in there. And that's what the plastic pieces are gonna be for. They're gonna keep everything together so that it doesn't fall apart like it just did. What I'm gonna do is build this, and then I'll cut to what it looks like once it's done, because this is gonna take forever, and I don't want you guys to be wasting your time. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like once it's completed, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like once I put it in the collection. Does that sound good? Okay. Alright guys, so after completing the setup, this is what the Shenron looks like. Dun dun dun! I decided to put the Dragon Balls, the bigger ones, in the back to give it that amazing look, and it just matches with everything so well. As you can see, once I put the light on, check it out, there he is in full majesty. Shenron. Check him out. Amazing detail. Looks amazing in the collection, and it is now one of my favorite pieces. So if you like this video, please subscribe, give it a like, and let me know what your favorite Dragon Ball Z collecting item is, okay? Peace out.